say, this hybrid remote times a year we cannot bear to stay. You sigh for your class, for your team, for your play that you feared passed you by. But there's hope. Remember we made some adjustments back then in the fall, now we're changing again. Remember in midst a pandemic, we're always case strong. And we're back. Soon you'll see, but no longer schooling partially. We'll be back betwixt 3 feet. Monday through Friday we will henceforth meet. Vaccines rise, cases fall, and strict masking gets us through it all. 'Cause when push comes to shove, we will keep our distance socially to unify the high school that we love. Da 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 da.